Need to remove a column from your Excel sheet? I will show you the easiest way to delete a column, plus a shortcut and one mistake beginners should avoid. First, click the column letter at the top of the column you want to delete. This selects the whole column. Here, I want to delete column B, so I will click the letter B. Now, right-click the selected column letter, then click Delete. Excel removes the entire column, and the columns on the right move left to close the gap. Here is an important beginner tip. Don't click just one cell if you want to delete the whole column. Click the column letter instead. That tells Excel you want to remove the full column, not just part of the worksheet. You can also delete more than one column at the same time. For columns that are next to each other, click the first column letter, drag across the other column letters and release. Right-click any selected column letter, then choose Delete. Excel remove all selected columns together. For columns that are not next to each other, click the first column, hold Ctrl on your keyboard, then click each column letter you want to remove. After they are selected, right-click and choose Delete. You can also delete a column from the Home tab. Select the column first, then go to Home tab. In the cell group, click the arrow next to Delete, then choose Delete Sheet Columns. This method is very clear because it helps Excel to delete the sheet column. You can also use the Home tab to delete single, multiple adjacent or non-adjacent column, the same as right-click method. Once you are comfortable, you can use a shortcut. Click the column letter first, then press Ctrl and the minus key. Excel deletes the selected column right away. This keyboard shortcut method also works with adjacent and non-adjacent columns, the same as the right-click and the Home tab method. One common mistake is pressing the Delete key on your keyboard after you select the full column. The Delete key clears the content, but it does not remove the column itself. If that happens, press Ctrl Z to undo it, and delete the column using one of the methods above. For example, right-click and choose Delete. Quick recap. Click the column letter, use right-click, then choose Delete. Or you can use the Home tab, delete sheet column. Or you can use Ctrl plus minus. And remember, the Delete key only clears the data inside the column. Continue improving your Excel data skills with the Working with Data in Excel playlist, or watch the next recommended tutorial. Subscribe to XcelTips for more simple, practical Excel lessons.